yun, ha? Down by 2 sila eh. At the end of the first 2 quarters, nung pumutok si Cancino, doon na lumayo bigla Meralco. 108-92. Meralco improves to 5-5 while dealing NLEX their second loss of the Philippine Cup. Pagdating nga po ng Miyerkules, dito ulit tayo sa Phil Sports Arena. Converge versus Terra Firma sa alas 5. And then, Phoenix versus Rain and Shine sa alas 7:30 ng gabi. Pabigat ng pabigat. Ang mga laro dito sa ating Philippine Cup. Tutukan natin lahat ng aksyon all the way to the end. Dito yan sa RPTV, powered by Sports 5.
Alam mo to, laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Everybody, let's jam. Can't stop, level up, game plan. Here we go, ang laban. Everybody, let's jam. Can't stop, level up, game plan. Here we go, ang laban.
Yo, umangat pa ang mga bida sa gilas ng ningas, perlas ng silangan, lalong umangas, lalong tumalas ang pinuhunang katas ng pangarap, lagpas sa lapaap.
Iba man ng diktanet, dilma, magtatag ng ating pwersa. Puso pa rin ang pruweba, todo ang suporta. Flex mo tong bilog ang bola, nakatatak ang iyong etiketa, nakalabang sa likod ng atleta. Numero pero dala ang bandera, diretso sa bupa ang buwelta. Mga tagahanga, tagapamahal, ang mga veteran, ang mga bagito, pinakamismo at magagaling, walang aling. Pamilya at barkada, kanyang umarangkada. Ito ang bagong tribo, let's go game tayo dito. Everybody, let's
Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Luigi with NLEX coming into this game with a 6-game win streak. They had too many strengths that you had to prepare for. But what did your defense prioritize most in terms of what you had to take away from them tonight?
Yeah, well, NLEX has been playing not only Robert Bolick, right? Everybody's been playing well. So even in the first half, I noticed they had a balanced scoring attack. In the second half, we gave them 23 compared to our 32. So I think, they're playing at a high level. We just did better in that second half. I mean, all around, defensively, doing the things that we're supposed to. Offensively, I thought we shared the ball better in the third quarter. That second quarter, I remember we were up and then they had an 11-4 attack back at us. So this is a tough team. They're playing well. They're on a 6-game losing streak, 6-game winning streak. I think also for them it's hard because they're playing back-to-back. So,
Thank you, Coach Luigi. CJ, lagi mong napapag-usapan yung kinakailangan mo pang i-improve sa depensa and how sometimes you're used as a point of attack by the opponent. Tonight, paano mo to pinersonal at anong mga strategies ang in-employ mo to limit your matchups?
Actually, lagi ko lang challenge yung sarili ko to improve palagi, every game, every day. So, sa game na to, talagang ang pinaka-challenge ko sa sarili ko is maging consistent. Kaya sabi ng mga coaches na okay yung defense ako for the past few games. Pero yung lagi ko lang iniisip, paano in the next game, paano ako maging consistent. So siguro, dahil sa mga effort na ginawa ko and sa mga tulong ng mga veterano ko and mga coaches ko, binigyan nila ako ng confidence na, alam mo yun, ilabas ko kung ano yung meron sa akin in terms of defense.
Sa mga kapanapanabing eksena, second game ng ating PBA Sunday sa loob ng Phil Sports Arena. It is the NLEX Road Warriors looking to clinch a quarterfinal berth kontra dito sa Meralco Bolts na hinahanap ang kanilang ika-5 panalo. Maaga pa lang yung nagbabalik from suspension na si Clifache ay nagparamdam na nakabawian naman siya, di Bahio sa kabilang dulo.
Magandang laro na nga NLEX in the first quarter. Pero tama rin yung binanggit ng coach. Baka medyo pagod na rin ito dahil dikit-dikit rin ang laro ng NLEX.
Aaron Black with that hit as Meralco took the first quarter, 21-18. Fast forward tayo into the second, with just barely 3 minutes having gone by. Kevin Louie Alas with a 3.
Isang offense talaga ito si Kevin Alas.
And with NLEX up by 2, it was Basera Amer who launched a 4. Pero nung maimbestigahan 3 lang pala, stepping on the 4-point line yun. Quinto at the other end will go to to the spin and the fake. Pwersahan para dito kay Bong.
Maagang 2 fouls siya, pero siya ang top scorer at the end of the first half with 11 points for the Bulls.
Redlegs still managed to take a 2-point lead into the break, 47-44, or 45 rather. Early third quarter action, Berto Bolick going to work.
Yeah. But then here comes the tikit-tikit na scoring. Oh, very easy pass. Breakdown in defense.
Yun yung dos na nakuha ng NLEX kanina, and then 11 sunod-sunod na puntos para sa Meralco to take control, led by that man, CJ Cancino.
CJ Cancino. Zero nga sa first half yan.
32 points in the third quarter para sa Meralco to take the lead into the fourth. We pick up the action a minute into it. It's gonna be CJ Cancino again.
Wow, this was a fall.
20 puntos para kay Cancino ngayong gabi dito sa Phil Sports. Tapos yung kanilang kapitan na si Chris Newsam, talaga namang susunugin din sila as Berto Bolick locked home a 4 to try and keep NLEX in the game. Chris Banquero though at the end, tatapusin ng NLEX.
Yeah, that big shots by Banquero in the end. But you know, Newsom only took 11 shots again. You know, it's a really team type of game. But for me, the guy really should be taking 15, at least 15 shots a game.
108-92, Meralco picks up their fifth win. They snap the 6-game win streak ng NLEX.
Tanit ang digma, magtatag ng ating puwersa. Puso pa rin ang pruweba. Todo ang suporta. Flex mo tong bilog ang bola. Nakatatak ang iyong etiketa. Nakalabag sa likod ng atleta. Numero pero dala ang bandera. Et diretso sa kupa ang puwerta. Mga tagahangat at napamahala. Mga veterano at mga bakito. Pinakamismo at magagaling. Walang alin. Pamilya at barkada. Game ng umarangkada. Ito ang bagong dribble. Let's go game tayo dito. Latang laban. Everybody let's jam. Can't stop, level up, game plan. Here we go. Ang latang laban. Everybody let's jam. Can't stop, level up, game plan. Here we go. Ang latang laban. Can't stop, level up, game plan. Here we go. Ang latang laban. Game plan. Here we go. Ang latang laban.
Yo, umangat pa ang mga bida sa gilas ng ningas, perlas ng silangan, lalong umangas, lalong tumalas ang pinuhunang katas ng pangarap. Lagpas sa lapaab, abante, diskarte, di bale, walang pake sa maaarte, tuloy lang at kampante, ginto lang ang diskarte, bumubulusok, umuusok, tumutusok at tagos sa bawat sulok. Mabangis kumikinang ang lahat nahihibang, nagliliyab, nagniningning parang pinagtagpong hilig. Bawat upunan, merong hamunan, laban kong laban sa bayanan, isang bansa, isang bansak. Hey, PBA! Alam mo to, laro mo to, tuloy sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo.